documenting visuals from the civil unrest that's broken out in South Africa, 12th July 2020. The video is a compilation of visuals shared during the course of the day on social media.
Yeah, recliners. See, the police is scared. Where are they going?
Maybe they want them to do that.
Oh my god.
Ano nga piskap? Alin Johnson? Nari mo, John Johnson iskap mo. Why?
Because they're disgusting human beings.
You think this month soon?
I don't think they'll ever come.
Guys, this is live right now at Macro. Hundreds of looters trying to get into Macro. Hundreds of them being dispersed by security, tear gas. They're now trying to run over the wall into the bigger warehouse next to Macro, where there's less security. There's a helicopter, private security, trying to get rid of all of them. That's it, guys. Wow, that's either 12 gauge or tear gas. This is right here, Konobia / Mshlanga Macro.
Shady, if you're coming through Hillcrest, avoid it. Oh, Allah. Turn your face. I'm sorry, my angel. I'm so sorry.
Good, right, baby?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Go.
way, that way. Hey.
Hey! Oh God. Ooh. God.
And the boys are just watching. They're literally standing there watching. This is empowering the new China shops have been looted and it's on fire. Cash converters on fire. Don't waste your ammo. Stop. Let them come. Remember, steps first. There's authority. We go behind them. Clear. Everybody clear the road for steps. Let them go forward.
Have been using live ammunition. As you can hear, some shots being fired here in the air. Just a while ago, we saw police about 7 vehicles going towards another shopping mall that hasn't been looted. We're told that they are going there in order to protect. What is also interesting to see here in this community, some community members have partnered with security personnel in order to protect. As you come in here, they are doing, the civilians as well as the security guards are patrolling this area. As you go in, they are also checking whether you are indeed a journalist or perhaps a community member. But if you come in here with some, maybe perhaps arming yourself,
to recover from where we are, because COVID has also given us a blow in relation to unemployment. You will remember just last week we were celebrating the extension of tariffs to the sectors that are hardly affected in the 2 weeks of COVID.
Then they must
And
get
all of
free
us
electricity
wondered,
for all these
how
things.
are we going to recover in these 2 weeks? And
This one is the best. This one is the best. He's pulling it on his look.
And which means those workers that were supposed to go back to work have not been able to do so. But this morning we got calls from workers, particularly in the health industry, who were wondering how
Of sadness.
as the president said, others
ideological purity positions and not appreciate the pragmatic calls that have got to be made at the level of securing the interests of the state in a given moment.
Should not be deployed. It's a worrying situation. We have to question politicians. We have to question each and every South African who is a part of this. And those of us who are standing against it also need to speak out. There should actually be a Protect South Africa hashtag that's trending instead of Shut Down South Africa. It's 29 minutes past 8 o'clock.
But as soon as it was light, chaos ensued. Multiple businesses, the target. Just to paint a picture, this is what is taking place. This is just one of the shops, the liquor shop here in Fort Loris. Several arrests have been made.
Chaos at everything. They just loot. They just open wherever they can. They just take everything. So, hey. Yeah, it's a mess. It's a mess, my sister.
Police had effected these arrests You see 4 men here in handcuffs at the moment, alleged to have been involved in the looting at Soho Mall. As the violence spread, more arrests. Going back to home. But the looters were unrelenting, and so were police. And then there were also casualties. They just came here and they looted. We don't know where we're going to work. We're very worried about the situation here. We're now going to lose our jobs. This is not sitting well with us. We're worried about our children too. There you have more of the looting that is taking place. So every time some of the community members taking turns, while others go in, the others come out. And now it remains to be seen whether the president's call for calm will be heeded. Griselda Lewis, SABC News in Johannesburg. What's happening where you are right now?
Black players face racial abuse after Euro defeat.
Good evening, Francis. Yes, anarchy seems to be still reigning supreme in and around Durban. We are receiving reports that in Chatsworth, Phoenix, people are still looting what is left of the shops, supermarkets, the furniture shops, as well as hardware outlets in around Durban. But this is affected the Durban CBD, where we are with my colleague in Abezinhle, Kumala, who is here driving with me just in and around Durban. This is one of the main road. This is Smith Street.